In a quiet corner of the forest, a beautiful nightingale loved to sing. Her voice was so sweet that all the animals stopped to listen.
Your voice is magical. It makes the whole forest happy. Thank you, friends. Singing is my gift, and I love sharing it with all of you.
But high up in the trees, a powerful hawk watched with curiosity. He admired the nightingale's talent, but he also had an idea.
She has such a lovely voice. I wonder if she could be of use to me? Nightingale, your voice is extraordinary. I am the ruler of the skies, and I command you to sing only for me.
But I sing for everyone, Hawk. The forest is my home, and I want to share my songs with all my friends.
If you sing only for me, I will protect you from harm. No bird, beast, or storm will ever hurt you.
The nightingale felt torn. She loved her freedom, but she also feared the hawk's power.
Thank you for your offer, Hawk. But I believe true happiness comes from sharing my gift with everyone, not just one.
One day, a furious storm hit the forest. The nightingale's tiny wings were no match for the strong winds.
I told you, Nightingale, if you had sung only for me, I would have protected you always.
Thank you, Hawk, but I still believe sharing my songs is worth every risk. It brings joy to so many.
The hawk began to understand the nightingale's point of view. Her songs made the forest a better place for everyone, including him.
Your bravery inspires me, Nightingale. Maybe being a ruler isn't just about control, but about caring for everyone.
Exactly, Hawk. Together, we can make the forest a happier, safer place.
So, kids, the story teaches us that true leadership is about understanding and helping others, not just being in charge. And sharing your gifts with the world makes it a brighter place for everyone.
Thanks for watching Tiny Toon TV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories every day. See you next time.